In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rasterize an object in Adobe Illustrator. Rasterizing converts a vector object made from paths and anchor points into a pixel-based image. This is helpful when you want to lock in an appearance, prepare artwork for certain effects, or ensure it matches the requirements for print or web. Keep in mind, rasterization is generally a one-way street for that object, so think of it as creating a static image from your vector art. Start by selecting the object you want to rasterize. This tells Illustrator exactly which item will be converted, and only the selected object will be affected. If nothing is selected, the command won't apply to anything. Next, go to the Object menu and choose Rasterize. This opens the Rasterize dialog box where you'll set how the object is converted. These options directly impact color fidelity, clarity, and background behavior, so it's worth a careful look. First, choose your color mode. Select CMYK if your final destination is print, because most printers use CMYK inks, and this mode helps maintain accurate color reproduction on paper. Choose RGB if the artwork is intended for screens, websites, presentations, or social media, since displays render color in RGB. Picking the mode that matches your output minimizes unexpected color shifts later. Then, set the resolution. For print, use 300 pixels per inch. This provides enough detail for sharp, professional results on paper. For web or on-screen use, 72 ppi is the common standard in many workflows and helps keep file sizes lighter. Higher resolutions create larger files and can slow down performance, so match the resolution to your real-world needs. Next, choose the background. Select white if you want the rasterized area to fill with a solid white backdrop, which is useful when the design will sit on a white page or needs a defined edge. Choose transparent if you want to preserve see-through areas around or within the object. Transparency is especially helpful when you plan to place the artwork over colored backgrounds or layered compositions. Once your settings are in place, click OK. The selected object is now rasterized. You'll notice it behaves like a flat image. You can still move, scale, or apply certain effects, but you won't be editing paths and anchor points. Be mindful that scaling up a rasterized object can cause pixelation, so set an appropriate resolution before converting. That's it. Select the object, choose Object, Rasterize, pick the right color mode, resolution, and background, then confirm. With these choices, your artwork is ready for its intended destination, whether print or web.